Good afternoon, everybody. So you guys seen these before. I just wanted to mention, as I was tearing these off, I noticed that the black piece was pilling up with them, the solder mask, and I'm thinking that these plugs were attached to the a gold pad on top of here. I can't tell for sure because of the way it was designed. I can't actually see in there, but we're going to treat it as if it is. And I'm going to go after it later on with a pair of pliers and see if I can pull that off. So what are we doing today? The guy on the left is the gold from the dishes. And yes, I know that video's still not out yet, but you see why. On the right is the trash, my 3 bad mistakes and the filters and paper towels, and I'm expecting 1 gram on the left and maybe 3 to 4 on the right, maybe even more. I really don't know. Like I said, it's from the trash. So, how would you guys like to see? Dun 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 dun. It's beautiful, isn't it? Guys, this is the stuff from the Spectrophotometer. 2 of those. There was 2 power supplies that went with them, and there was 1 printer. Believe it or not, the printer actually had some pretty decent boards in it. I'm guessing because it had to pick up the graphs, this, that, and the other. So, wanted to give you a real quick tour. Let's see. So, I mean, I've got stuff there, here. These are the switches, and every piece gold plating. And let's see, right here, I broke one open so you guys could see the inside and see one of the sliders. I don't know, is that picking that up right? Yeah, look at that, guys, look at that. So yeah, normally what I do is I cut it with my cutters and break the board and pull the little chip out. And I don't know. There is quite a bit to do. So I don't know if that's going to be the plan for these guys yet or not. So I'm going to show you this. I may have already showed you, but the one spectrophotometer had wire wrap boards in it. Had about 10 or 12 of these. The other one did not. So, but I can't complain. I'm thankful for getting this device. It's been a long time since I've seen something this nice. Let's see. Give you a couple highlights. I love pens like this. I mean, this guy, you can just tell. Settle down, Janie. Pretty, ain't it? Oh, so this one here, this is a type of relay, and my bet is that it's copper running through there, and that came off of this board. All right, let me show you real quick. So a lot of these I had duplicates, so we get to see front and back side of each board. So here's one of the better boards. Okay, so you got your ceramic chip, and then this one has the white ceramic. And I already looked it up. It's not the one we were all looking for. This is a 7616, which means it was manufactured in the, what is that, 16th week of 1976. Let's see. This one, I can't see. You guys might be able to. The sun's a little bright right now. I already made this video once, but while I was making it, it flashed on the screen that I had overheated the camera and it shut me off. Yeah, it's like 92 degrees and I'm sitting in direct sunlight, so let's see, what else did I want? Oh, these guys right here. Always check when you got a really nice unit, check everything in there. And I mean everything. This is just a normal transformer, but it's got gold plugs on the end. You know, if they're using high-end stuff for part of it, you better believe they're probably using high-end stuff for all of it. Now, I couldn't remember. I think I already popped the other one of these, and there was a little gold pin, or not gold pin, but there's a gold top hat like that up inside of this one. Let's see, what's some more highlights? We got the big top hats, and we got the little top hats. We have, I just seen it. Okay, anyway, let's go on. This guy, we've got a lot of dog bones. Let me get a better look for you. Right there, the end of my thumb, that's a dog bone. See, what it is some of the time when these are manufactured, they actually do look like dog bones. It's kind of cool looking. But look at all the gold test posts. All right, and let's see. Oh yeah, the ends are made up the same way. Now I'm going to put those in my pile of IDE. I think they're called IDE pins. But then you got your like your main switchboard, whatever you want to call it. And oh, here's the other side. All right, and just to give you, I'm going to jump ahead real quick while I'm thinking about this. So you have two boards. I know you can see the difference right away. Got gold legs on that guy, not gold legs on that. So always be on the lookout. Don't assume that because this part is gold in one of the machines that it's going to be gold in all of the machines. Or don't assume that it's not gold in one and don't check it again. The unfortunate part about this is you've got to continuously check everything. So my guess is these are tantalums. Got the plus signs. Let's see if I can get close enough. See that little nipple sticking out there where it's connecting? Let's see what else. Okay, there's another good example. You got gold legs on there and not there. So just go through your pieces, take your time, and enjoy it, you know. I don't know about you guys. I enjoy this stuff. I really do. I'm not looking to pull these apart and make a killing. I was in the beginning. And Gio told me right from the very beginning, he's like, it's really hard to make, takes a lot of electronics to make any value of gold. And he was correct. So these guys here, I haven't touched them yet. What you got two different boards, and both fingers are plated, both sides. And I have not checked to see what's in these. There may be value, there may not. Got my connectors with silver pins. The power board. Gold ends on that. And then they unplug. And these were the first time I've ever seen these with gold ends. They've always been made from tin or copper. And of course I showed you this board already. And I showed you that board. These were out of the power supplies. You've seen those. I believe these were out of the power supplies too. And then I got this guy left. So, I showed you these. Guys, I hate to say it. Most of the time, these potentiometers, switches, whatever you want to call them, are a waste of time. But sometimes you do find some really nice gold plating in them. It really all depends on what it was used for. I cannot wait to pull those out. That is going to be so nice. Wow. Is there anything else I wanted to show you? I think it pretty... Oh, yeah, of course there is. There's a couple of Mylars. When I picked this up, there was also a couple old IBM keyboards. And they were in bad shape. I did save. I got these two over here that I've got to check later. But this guy right here. So you got him. Dun, dun, dun. Now, I don't know if that's gold plating or if it's brass, but we will find out. I do know that the legs coming out are gold plated, and most of the time they're not. So it's a good sign. And then there's this. I haven't checked him out yet. And then there's another one of the wire wrap boards. And then the top piece pulls right out like that. There's really not much to him. I cut him open, and it's just a really tiny relay up in there with no other precious metals on it. I mean, I didn't test for silver or PD, but I mean, the gold's down here, so I kind of stopped looking. I did pull a couple pins. Yeah. There we go. So this is one of those tiny wire wrap boards. And I pulled the pins. And here's the inside of the relay. Oh, well. Now that I'm out in the light, it looks gold. Well, it could be copper. But we'll see. I don't throw anything away until I'm 100% sure, so But that's it, guys. We're at 15 minutes. This is going to take quite a long time to process. Because what I'll do, alright, let's start with, got a board like this. So of course we're going to pull the ceramic first, put that with your ceramics. And then right here, any of your IC chips that are EEPROM that'll pop out, we'll pull all those out. We'll go through and with a heat gun pull out all the top hats, but be careful. And Janie brought this up the other day. I've had it happen to me myself. It'll scare the shit out of you. These canisters right here, especially the aluminum ones, which I don't know if those are aluminum and these are not, but you know, large capacitors like that, when they build up a lot of heat and pressure, they will explode. And some of them are loud as a gun, and I'll BAM! Of course, I was in an enclosed area and can't hear very well now. Okay, that wasn't funny. Alright, guys, so that's it. I spent the first part of my day at the creek, and I want to try and get this refining done before the night's up. So I'm going to get off of here, and looks like my gold is about rinsed, and I don't know if I get a chance to melt it tonight. I'll show you. Mike's out of here.